Hi guys, I am Affan Mushir. Welcome to my channel. I am going to give a short tutorial about copperplate calligraphy. Let us start now. In copperplate calligraphy, we are going to use an oblique pen whose nib is too flexible. As you can see in the video, जब भी हम इस पेन पे प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं, इसकी निब 2 में डिवाइड हो जा रही है, जो हमें बोल्ड स्ट्रोक देता है। और ये बोल्ड स्ट्रोक हमारे लेटर को और ज़्यादा फ्लरिश कर देते हैं। And there are some names given to our lines of our pages. Let us see these names. The first one is the baseline. From here we generally start writing a letter. Another one is just parallel to it, which is header. And the difference between base and the header is known as X height. Above the header there is first ascender, and above the first ascender there is second ascender. Similarly, there is first descender below the base, also the second descender below the first descender. If we see, header और बेस के बीच में x हाइट होता है, जहाँ पे x लेटर फिट आ जाए, और हमें 55 डिग्री के एंगल पे हर लेटर को लिखना होता है। 55 डिग्री पे, और 55 डिग्री पे हम तभी लिख पाएंगे जब हमें प्रैक्टिस होगी। अब मेरे लेटर पे देखते हैं, जिसमें मैंने सेम रूल फॉलो किया। जैसे मेरा लेटर ए है, उसके जो मैंने बोल्ड स्ट्रोक है, मैंने उनको 55 डिग्री पर रखा है, और ऐसे ही दूसरे स्ट्रोक्स को भी 55 डिग्री पे ही रखा है। अभी आपको लेटर बनाने तब आएंगे जब मैं आपको फंडामेंटल स्ट्रोक्स के बारे में बताऊंगा। वैसे अभी ये मेरी इंक है। व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू जस्ट डिप द पेन इनटू द इंक एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग द लेटर. Let us go on to fundamental strokes now. Let me open my ink pot, and these fundamental strokes are too important to be practiced, because through these fundamental strokes you will be able to construct a letter, right? I will teach you some basic strokes. The first one is entrance stroke. This stroke is nothing, but when we end it on the header, it is parallel to the 55 degree angle. The one is underturn, its opposite is overturn. We start the underturn from the header to the base and back to the header, and the overturn from the base to the header and back to the base. Similarly, we have the oval. We have to make one side very bold and the other one just like a hairline. It will make the letter more flourish. And it's a part of calligraphy principle. The other one is corresponding, which is a mixture of overtone and the undertone. Now comes the ascending loop. It starts from header, reaches the second ascender and back to the base. And the other one is just opposite. It starts from the header, reaches the second descender, back to the base. कैलीग्राफी में एक प्रिंसिपल होता है कि जब लाइन नीचे जा रही है तो उसके स्ट्रोक्स बोल्ड होंगे, और जब ऊपर जा रही है तो उसके स्ट्रोक्स लाइट होंगे। ये हमने इसमें फॉलो किया है। अब हम अपने लेटर्स को, अपने स्ट्रोक्स को टेक्स्ट में डालेंगे। नाउ वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट द लेटर ए आफ्टर डिपिंग द पेन इनटू द इंक पॉट. Firstly, we will make an entrance line, and then a oval, and after the oval a undertone, and this will give you the letter A. It is not that much hard, but if you practice it will be too much easy for you to learn these construction of the letters. It should be practiced at home very frequently to make it perfect. Now we will make the letter H. We will make the entrance line. Then we will make the ascending loop, and after the ascending loop we will make an corresponding turn or V. We also say it V, and this will give us the letter H. Now you can see the downstrokes are very bold and the upstrokes are very light. This is, you can say it, down heavy and up slight. Now down heavy and up slight is also the principle of calligraphy which should be followed in every type of calligraphy. Now comes the letter Y. To construct the letter Y, we will add the entrance line, then we will add the underturn, and after the underturn we will add the descending loop. This will give us the letter Y. It's very easy. What you have to do, you have to just practice this very frequently. Now at the fourth number we have the letter O. To construct the letter O, it's very simple, nothing more than an oval. We have to just add the entrance line and over, obviously, and then an additional stroke which don't have any name and which will give us the letter O. To construct an perfect oval, it's very hard to construct an perfect oval. Now at the fifth number we have the letter L, which don't comprises anything. It only comprises an ascending loop. To construct the L, we just have to add the entrance line and then an ascending loop. This will give us the letter L. Similarly, we can construct many more letters through this method. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.